The Ford Bronco 2024. Get ready to be blown away by its incredible features. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel Top 4 Cars. Exterior design. The 2024 Bronco combines ruggedness with a modern touch. Its bold, boxy shape pays homage to its predecessors, instantly recognizable as a true Bronco. The high ground clearance and wide wheel arches give it a commanding presence on the road. What's truly remarkable is the customization options it offers. The modular roof system lets you easily remove the roof panels and even the rear quarter windows, giving you the freedom to fully embrace the outdoors during your off-road adventures. Off-road capability. Let's talk about the Bronco's off-roading capability. This vehicle is built to conquer any terrain. The Bronco's robust 4x4 system with available features like electronic locking differentials and an off-road performance. With its excellent water fording capability, the Bronco can confidently cross streams and rivers, making it an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking thrilling adventures off the beaten path. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the Bronco, and you'll find a cabin that's designed for adventure. The interior is built with durable materials that can withstand the toughest conditions. The seats are comfortable and supportive, providing excellent comfort even during long journeys. The touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to access your favorite apps, music, and navigation with ease. It also offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone and stay connected on the go. Power and performance under the hood. The Bronco offers a range of powerful engine options. You can choose between a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a robust V6 engine, depending on your preferences. The 4-cylinder engine delivers ample torque, making it perfect for off-roading and low-speed crawling. If you're looking for even more power, the V6 engine offers impressive acceleration and towing capacity. The Bronco's powertrain delivers the performance you need. Safety features. Safety is always a top priority, and the Bronco doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features to provide peace of mind on and off the road. The Bronco offers blind spot monitoring, which alerts you when there's a vehicle in your blind spot, making lane changes safer. Lane. Keeping assist helps you stay centered in your lane, especially during long drives or when navigating winding roads. These features work together to enhance your driving experience and keep you and your passengers safe in various driving conditions. Removable doors and easy-to-clean interior. The Ford Bronco 2024 understands that off-roading can get messy, and that's why it comes with practical features that make cleanup a breeze. The Bronco offers removable doors that allow you to fully embrace the open-air experience and enjoy the thrill of off-roading. When you're ready to clean up, the Bronco's interior is designed with easy-to-clean materials. Whether you're exploring muddy trails or heading to the beach, the Bronco's removable doors and easy-to-clean interior ensure that you can have a great time without worrying about the aftermath. Advanced off-road technology. The Ford Bronco 2024 is equipped with advanced technology that takes your adventures to the next level. One standout feature is the available Trail Turn Assist, which tightens the vehicle's turning radius during low-speed off-road maneuvers. Additionally, the Bronco offers a terrain management system with GOAT, goes over any terrain modes. This technology ensures that the Bronco adapts to the changing landscape and provides maximum traction and control. There you have it, some of the amazing features of the Ford Bronco 2024. From its rugged exterior design with customizable roof options to its comfortable tech-filled interior, its off-roading capability that can conquer any terrain, its powerful engine options, and advanced safety features. The Bronco truly raises the bar for adventure vehicles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.